Shit, my order the food, I'm gonna want it. I have to cancel.
Hot and Spicy Restaurant. This is Nancy speaking. How can I help you?
Oh, hi, Nancy. I just placed an order with you like 2 seconds ago with my card. Can you just go ahead and cancel that for me, please?
Is this Miss Grace Hamilton?
Oh, yes, it is.
I'm so sorry, Miss Hamilton, but your order has been placed already.
Ma'am, I just placed the order like 2 seconds ago. Can you just cancel it? You're standing right there in the restaurant.
Once again, Miss Hamilton, I do apologize, but due to our policies, we cannot cancel any orders. Your food is being prepared as we speak.
Ma'am, can you just cancel the order? I placed it 2 seconds ago. The food cannot be prepared like
Miss
2
Hamilton,
seconds ago.
Miss Hamilton, I do.
Lady, me never want the food. Lady, cancel the order. Me go cook on me yard. Nancy and Nancy, whatever you want. Me never want the food. Cancel it. Lady, put back my money for me card. Me don't want the food. Lady, me don't want the food. Me go cook on me yard. Me don't want it. Nancy. Lady, cancel.
What you doing a Gucci headband, Gucci bag, Gucci shirt, Gucci shoes? Stop the brother. We're one fake at a time, brother. Stop.
And I think there's many causes to it. And I certainly knew that before, but to see it graphically depicted is quite shocking. And it says that we've got a long way to go.
This man come drop right for my blood clot rum. The bumbuckler. Brother, the man come drop. Watch out, watch out.
Hold on.
Watch me bumbuckler. Where am I go?
Better blur it now, picture this.
Brother, right on the side of the cup, the man drop out the tree, drop on the side of the cup, you know. Pussy clot, I first me see this, I know you not drop on the grave. Yeah, where I go? Watch out. Bumbuckler. Watch out.
The boss can drink.
Bumbuckler.
No, allow him.
The dog a drink.
This a video.
Watch out. The dog a drink from your fuck. Bumbuckler. Watch out. Big bumbuckler.
Me and my what? Me and my dog, man. It's like money in my big body, yeah. Me and my dog, man. Yeah. Put up my hand, become a barrow, man. The intention to do something. Put up my hand, become a man. Me and my dog, man.
Easily, 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 easily. Man, I beat them easily, 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 easily.